welcome to LeadFuzion and the Probate Fox for probate records and inheritance records. I just want to give you a little bit update on the dashboard itself and how do you get around within the website. So once you click on dashboard, what we call it inside here is purchase leads. So basically your purchased stuff that you purchased, whether it's a list from us, whether it's what we call a skip list, which is a list that has been skip traced for you. Historical data, historical payments. So for probate and inheritance, we offer historical leads, and those historical leads will show up here. Any current or active subscriptions you may have, will show up here. Order number will be here along with order details. In the order details, it'll show you really the state, the city, the county, how many leads, and of course the frequency and the price. And again, this is just used for demo pricing, not really real. Now, also the download, you can download your files here as well. If you had a historical one, a download button would appear here as well. Skip tracing, yes, all your completed skip trace files will be here. So let's say you uploaded a file. And how is that different than list skip trace? Well, list skip trace is when you purchase a file from us, a list, meaning like, let's say a vacant list. We have an option there to skip trace it, and then that would show up here in this. Skip trace file are uploaded skip trace files, and all your files will show here, the details of it, when it was completed, when it was uploaded, and then of course you can download your skip trace file here. So you probably got an email from us saying, hey, your skip trace file is completed. It would direct you to this dashboard, in particular this skip trace section of it. If for some reason a payment doesn't go through on a file that you've uploaded, you can actually see it here in the skip trace in this dashboard. You can click pay, go ahead and through the whole process, put in your credit card, that sort of thing, and we'll get you that list process for you. If you want to buy more credits, you can certainly do that here. You can see your purchasing history as well. Actually, in order to buy credits, you have to be on the single skip trace system, which is included in here. You can get it to the skip tracing, go to single skip here to buy the credits. And that's particularly only for single skip skip tracing right now. And then we do have an affiliate system, which you can. So in order to become an affiliate, you can go ahead and agree to the agreement. Click on this button, hit submit, and then your affiliate link will appear in this whole thing here. All right, let me know if you have any questions on the dashboard video. And of course, you can always chat us up here at the bottom. If you have any further questions, feel free to chat us up. It's not a problem. Thanks a lot.